Hey, what's going on guys? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get custom workshop maps on Counter-Strike 2. Now this can be used to practice your aim, practice your recoil control, practice almost anything, or just to 1v1 your friends. Firstly, what you want to do is load onto Counter-Strike 2, go in the top left corner and click on settings. Now that you have clicked on settings, what you need to do is go over to game, which is just here. Click on that, and as you can see it says install Counter-Strike Workshop Tools. Go ahead and click on yes, and now that you have clicked on yes, you are ready to go ahead, and as you can see you should have workshop maps up here. Now to install your own, I'm going to teach you how to do that right now. You want to click on workshop maps, and in the bottom left it should say visit workshop. Go ahead and click on that, wait for it to load, and as you can see you are now on the Counter-Strike 2 workshop with the tag CS2. Now, you can look over all of these maps, or you can do the time period up to all time and most popular. And you see aimbot's aim training. We're going to delete it real quick. You see I don't have it in CS2. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to set time period all time and just click that little plus button. As you can see on these, now I've clicked that little plus button, it's now shown up. I click on it and I click go. Now we just gotta wait for the game to load, and we are in. As you can see, we are playing CS2, we are in aim train on CS2, and yeah, we can play around, practice our aim, all the guns work. And you can practice your aim, show off to your friends, 1v1 your friends in other maps, and overall have a good time on your CS2 experience. Peace out, see you in the next one. Peace.